Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a contemporary unboxing of Michael Kors. So if you're interested, just keep watching. Okay, so today I am going to do an unboxing of what I bought at Michael Kors. Now before Louis Vuitton came around, Michael Kors was definitely a brand that I really enjoyed buying. And so today I want to go ahead and show you what I bought at Michael Kors. So the first thing that I want to show you is this little bag that I bought. And I really did like this little bag when I saw it. I just thought it was so adorable. I think it's neat that it comes in its own dust bag. And it reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Nano. And it is the same shape and everything. It is so cute. And it has the gold hardware and the Michael Kors here. And as I mentioned, the Louis Vuitton Nano
Speedy
is what this bag reminded me of. And so this was a good alternative, I thought. And I bought it at the Michael Kors store in Dallas. And Michael Kors has come a long, long way. Like back when I liked Michael Kors, they didn't have a whole lot of variety, but I see that they're doing their version of a never full, their version of a luggage set, and it's nice. It looks really nice. And I thought, wow. I even felt like I saw a purse there that looked like a Bulgari purse. And it was really nice. I just thought, wow, Michael Kors is stepping it up for sure. But I like that it has this adjustable belt strap. And they wrap this up very nicely, I'm gonna say. Very nicely. And then you can just put this on here like that. And I tried this on in-store and I thought it was so cute that I just had to get it because I thought it was so adorable. But it's very cute. You can carry it around like this, or you can put it crossbody, which is probably what I will do. And so it's just plain in the back, and I thought it was so cute. It has Michael Kors there, and it's very roomy inside. It doesn't, I think that's the alarm. Here's the price. It says it's $168. And you know, I really hesitate to buy Michael Kors, I'll be honest with you, from a store for that much money, because I feel like you can buy Michael Kors at Ross. It has a little pocket right in there. Right there is a little pocket, and then it has like a lot of room. And I'll put everything that I have in my little mini monogram pochette in here just so you can see if it fits. So here is my iPhone Plus, and it fits in there easily. There's that. And there's still plenty of room in there. And it looks like it's kind of like at a diagonal is the way it'll fit in there, but it definitely fits in there. The other thing I carry with me in my mini pochette is my organizer. I can stick that in here. And then all of my keys. I have 3 keys. This is why I was looking for the Louis Vuitton key holder, but usually I carry all the keys to the cars, even though I don't drive all the cars at once. But see, there's still a lot of room to put a compact lipstick, what you might want to carry. There it is. It is a heavier little bag, I will tell you that. It is heavier than I would say my mini pochette, but just to kind of give you a comparison, that's what they look like. It's a whole lot wider, of course, but the length is about the same, I would say. The height is, of course, this one's higher, and then this one has the little handles. I bet I could even use the chain to this. Just for fun. Let's put it on there. And this is an authentic Louis Vuitton chain, so I'm just curious to see how it would look on here if I wanted to do the chain. And now the little, well, yeah, there it goes. So I think with all bags you can mix and match, and you know, just you can do whatever you want with bags. It doesn't have to necessarily be anything that, just do what you want to do with your stuff. I don't like when people say, well, you shouldn't put Louis Vuitton with Michael Kors. You know what? Who cares? So anyway, that's what it looks like. The purse is really, really heavy. And I don't know that I want to put that kind of, I think this would hold it, but I don't want to put that much weight on that chain. So let's put that back there. And so the next thing that I got was a pair of boots. I saw these boots and definitely wanted to go by the store to see if they had them, and they didn't have them on display, but I asked for them and they found them, and they're these here, and they have Michael Kors on the back, and I thought that was so cool. I just really like these. They look like they're a heel and then a sock, and the other only solid part is here on the heel, and I thought they were just so pretty. And you know, talk about not wanting to scream some brand, but I just thought these were so cute that they have that in the back. They're a higher boot, and these retailed for, let me get my receipt just so that I can tell you all the right prices. These retailed for $160, and the little purse actually cost more than the boots. It was for $168, and it's pretty heavy. Like, it's really heavy, but I do like these two items that I bought. I think that I chose the black, so when I wore the boot, I could also wear the bag. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.